So I made a post about a week ago saying that to me Jamaica is the best country in the world, and baby, the people from the other islands came for me. They were upset. I seen people saying that Jamaica is stealing Caribbean culture, and I just want to know, why is it that every time a Jamaica posts something bigging up their culture and their country, most people from the other islands are so upset? So what is the real issue? Why are you guys really upset with Jamaica?
Why do some Caribbean people love Jamaican culture but seem to have a problem with Jamaicans? From online tension to identity debates to who invented what, this conversation gets real deep. So today we are breaking down where this comes from, why it keeps happening, and what it says about Caribbean identity overall. Before we start, drop your flag in the comments. Let's see who is in the building.
Jamaican food, but I don't really love Jamaican people, because when you go to a Jamaican restaurant and they mess up your order, they don't even apologize. They just give you more cabbage or more plantains. And then in real life, if a Jamaican is disrespectful or they do something wrong, they don't even apologize in real life. What they'll say is, "I'm sorry you feel that way." Excuse me, what? Like, I just don't know if I could be friends with somebody who don't know how to take accountability. But the food is good though.
What is the underlying issue that the Caribbean have with Jamaicans and Jamaica? Are we the problem like a what? I know for we fall, so we are the crowd favorite, you know. And our fault, so the world love us. We just come and be ourselves and them love us for that. That's just it. We love every other Caribbean island and we show everybody support and love. So why every time we always see videos like this on the internet, when we don't try to big up the island, we don't try to put down Jamaica? For what? What a purpose? We love everybody, you know. But I have no problem with you.
So I made a post about a week ago saying that to me Jamaica is the best country in the world, and baby, the people from the other islands came for me. They were upset. I seen people saying that Jamaica is stealing Caribbean culture, and I just want to know, why is it that every time a Jamaica posts something bigging up their culture and their country, most people from the other islands are so upset? Because to me, I think it's just that Jamaicans are very proud. We're very proud of our culture. We're very proud of our country, and we're gonna always pick it up every chance we get. If you go to a Jamaican's profile, you're gonna know that they're Jamaican because you're gonna see a flag. You're gonna see them singing to some Jamaican songs. You're gonna see them talking about Jamaica on their page. But a lot of y'all from the other islands, when I go to your page, I don't even know where you're from, because you don't even talk about your country. You don't even talk about your culture. Like, some of y'all that was coming for my neck are not even brave enough to post your own country and be proud of your own country. So I just don't understand, why are you so upset? Is it that you're upset because when people think of the Caribbean, the first country they think of is Jamaica? That's not our fault. Are you upset because people associate the Caribbean with Jamaica? That's also not our fault. So what is the real issue? Why are you guys really upset with Jamaica?
So I don't know what the issue is with some people from other islands when it comes to Jamaicans, and when it comes to you lot disrespecting us and not liking us. Because you see, Jamaican people, all we do is eat mangoes and mind our business. You don't see Jamaicans coming on here talking about no other islands. You don't see us picking on you lot. You don't see us bullying you lot. But you lot stay coming on here disrespecting Jamaican people solely for clout. And I don't know why some of you lot do it, because Jamaican people, if anything, we can cuss, bruv. So we just gonna cuss you lot in the comments. Like the Haitians once upon a time tried us and had Jamaican people in the comments about to take back our donations that we gave in the earthquake. Now here comes the nigger that swallowed Jonah from the island of the Bahamas talking about Jamaica people unprovoked for no apparent reason. Respucia, what the hell did Jamaican people and Jamaican people's food and culture did to you for you to come out here be disrespecting us? And if we clap back now and we start talking about you lot and we start this and we start that now, you lot will come and try and vilify us and make us seem like we are the problem. And Caribbean people, please, can we start getting along? Like, believe it or not, Jamaicans actually like you lot, bro. We actually like you people. We like, your little walk-up culture. We like your accent. We like your food. We like you lot stuff. We mess with you lot, bro. We don't know why you don't like us, but we mess with you. And I know it's not all of you. I know that a majority of you lot are some beautiful people. You just have the rare few.
The love-hate dynamic. Here is the interesting part. Almost everyone loves Jamaican culture. The music, the slang, the confidence, the vibes. Jamaica has shaped the Caribbean and the world in powerful ways. But somehow, that doesn't always translate into love for Jamaican people. So, why do some Caribbean folks say, I love Jamaica, but Jamaicans are too loud, too aggressive, too confident, too something? National pride and competition is one of the biggest reasons. Caribbean people are extremely proud, and every island wants to shine on its own. When Jamaica explodes globally, whether it's sports, culture, music, it can create a sense of competition. Examples: who has the best food, or what fast, or whose accent sounds better. Many questions will come out, like which island most influenced Caribbean culture, and these questions are creating a lot of disagreements. For some, Jamaican dominance feels like overshadowing. Many Caribbean countries feel like Jamaica is overshadowing their other countries like Trinidad, Bahamas, Tobago, Antigua. These countries feel like Jamaica is overshadowing them. And the confidence factor, a lot of tension comes from how Jamaicans carry themselves. Jamaicans confidently believe they are the best. And to be honest, many times they are. But that confidence can be misunderstood. Some people comment, and I quote, Jamaicans think everything started in Jamaica. Another comment said, Jamaicans are too hype. And another one said, Jamaicans act like they run the Caribbean, but confidence isn't arrogance, it's culture. Jamaicans grow up bold, outspoken, expressive. And not every island is like that. Jamaica has a unique way of dealing with their things. These people are confident when it comes to their country, when it comes to the things they do. They have that confidence. They believe in themselves. They trust the process and trust themselves. That's why these people have one of the best confidence. It's something that many countries admire to have. Social media makes it worse. Here is the truth. A lot of these tensions live online, not in real life. And this explains the TikTok debates, Twitter wars about food, music, and accents, people generalizing based on stereotypes. Online creates a battlefield where everyone tries to defend their island, and sometimes things get disrespectful. And we have seen a lot of these online debates, a lot of these online fights between the Caribbean countries. And here is the place where some people are always misunderstood, others understand, try to reason together, but others want to defend their own countries. This another thing is historical roots. This is not new. Caribbean land has always had a friendly rivalry in sports, migration, culture, and history. Jamaica, being bigger and more globally recognized, created natural tension, but it's rarely hate. It's pride mixed with comparison. And lastly, in real life experience versus online talk. In real life, most Caribbean people get along amazingly. Jamaicans in Trinidad, Barbados, Antigua, the Bahamas, they will tell you they live normal, peaceful, fun lives. So the question is this real tension, or is it just social media noise? Let viewers decide. So do Caribbean people actually dislike Jamaicans, or do they love them but can't admit? Share your honest opinion below, but keep it respectful. Also drop your flag so we see where you are watching from. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diaspora conversations.